Right, let's quickly look at the weekly anticipation. As expected last week, as you can see there, the price was on the 89. We expected it to find some support there, going up to the upper trend line. We did not go there. Thursday and Friday was another test of that area. So I'm anticipating another move in that region there. So there's quite a lot up there. There's about 200 pips to that upper trend line. So if there is any support there, that would be great. But now it's not to say that this trend line is going to hold, because of the fact that we are in that channel, as you can see there. So the possibility is that we might see a test of the 200 SMA if that is coming down. So just watch that area right there as well. That's also an important aspect that you can watch there. British pound, as we say, that weekly trend line was normally a strong resistance, and that's exactly what happened. So the price came down to the 21. So currently at that point, it's difficult to say whether it's going to come through or whether it's going to retest that upper trend line. So that is something that we need to get in. As you can see there, there's not really divergence on the MACD yet. So I don't think we're going to get divergence. I don't think the price is going to go above that. Well, I can't say it's not going to. It can any case it can go above there. But my anticipation is a little bit of a sideways maybe before, if it's going to retest that upper trend line, then we will see what happens there. The Swissy, as we expected it, went above that trend line and found support there, going all the way up towards the 89. You can see there's the pullback to the 21 and the move towards the 89, which is part of the rules, although it was not, it was already close to the 89, pullback and then went back up to the 89. That was the anticipation that one could have made a couple of pips there, that move there, but that was not much. It was about 50 pips that one could have made there on a shorter time frame, realizing the market rhythm, and then got involved on a shorter time frame. US dollar, Japanese yen came from this bottom. You remember that we talked about that specific candle right over there last Sunday, which was a strong move, strong support there, and eventually it broke through. So currently haven't pulled back to the breakout level yet. You remember that we marked that area there and say there's definitely something coming, and we might see a move up towards. That will be the region. If I really have to say, right, there's an area that I will watch, that will be the area that I will definitely watch to get involved with. Aussie dollar, still within that range between the 89 and that trend line. But also there you can see there's a lot of emotion involved there. So when it falls through, it's really going to go down to this 200 if it falls through. But it's on the bottom trend line as well as the 89, so nothing prevented from getting some support there. But as I say, one needs to be careful now. The question is, you see there's an upper trend line there as well now. So to me that was quite a resistance there. So I think that's why the price really come down to this bottom one. So be cautious there as well. Euro Japanese yen, I was quite surprised about the price really going back up. I was anticipating, but do you remember I said there all the moving averages together there? That's why I marked that area there, say there's a lot of emotion involved there. Currently still not really getting direction, although it is in the upper direction with that pullback towards the 21 and then the move away. So anything above there, that is really a place that one can start looking to get involved with. It's that area there. But nothing prevents it from pulling back towards the 89 and the 200 once again before getting maybe direction. So that is the weekly anticipation. For me, the one that I really would love to get involved with is that area on the US dollar Japanese yen, should it continue after that breakout. Now, anticipated area where I would say, right, I just want to extend that more or less. That's about the 84.50 level. That should be a very good target should the price start moving upwards. Let's just mark it there, the 84.50. That's more or less that area there. So we're talking about 50-60 pips to that level, which is a very good. That's also that high there. But should it go past it, then the 200 will be the next target to go to. Right, let's see how this week is going to play out.